you on our YouTube. I want you to make some videos with our three cars.
Chris, stop running into the shovel. Hey, Chris.
Yeah. I'm retreating.
Oh! You can't retreat from this bad baby. Oh! Wait, I'm gonna call it Spider. I'm gonna call this Spider. This is Spider. No, this is Squid Eye. Squid Eye. My car's called Squid Eye. It opened the top. Mine is called Squid Eye. Squid Eyes. This is Squid Eye. Wait, what's Eric Truck's name? Mine is Squid Eye. Mine Monster Beast. Ready? Not wash out. Ready? Set. Let me try. Oh, this is gonna. Ready? Got it. I got you. Chris, let's fight now. Chris, let's fight now. I'm sorry. Why are you not? I'll shoot. I'll shoot.
Another win! Oh, that was You have to push it.
Go.
Up, and away!